Forewarn weather with Damian Lotus.
Happy Saturday, everyone. If you have your weather bingo card, your Oklahoma weather bingo card, get it ready because I'm tracking everything from freezing temperatures to critical fire danger to severe weather to even snowfall. So that's an Oklahoma bingo right there. Let's get you ready for the latest here on your early Saturday morning. Partly cloudy skies with some early morning fog here for Oklahoma City, but now there are some light showers and even some snow flurries trying to develop across the Oklahoma Panhandle. We have some patchy fog here for central and western parts of the state, so you will see that as you're heading out the door. You're also going to feel these cold winter-like temperatures. Old man winter is not done with us just yet. 38 degrees right now for Oklahoma City. We had temperatures in the 20s across northwestern parts of the state. We also had wind chills in the teens up here, and this is what it feels like here as you're heading out the door. It feels like 30 degrees here for Oklahoma City, so grab those jackets. But as we head throughout the rest of the day, I'm tracking partly to mostly cloudy skies. Highs today will be a mix of 50s and 60s, and sunset this afternoon is going to be at 7:45. So across the state today, I'll be tracking a mix of 50s and 60s here across the state. We'll see some very moderate conditions. Looks like we'll tap 54 today for Kingfisher, 52 in Okarche, up to our north and up to our northeast. Mid to upper 50s, low 60s. Looks like we'll tap 56 today. My forecast high in Guthrie. Off to our south and off to our southeast, we'll see a mix of 50s and 60s here this afternoon, including 54 this afternoon for Shawnee. And then off to our south and off to our southwest, cloudy skies, breezy winds. Highs today will be a mix of low to mid 50s. So overall below average temperatures, but lighter winds here as we head throughout today. As we head into tonight, the winds are really going to pick up. I'm tracking overnight winds gusting out of the south 30, 40, even 50 miles an hour here for some parts of the state. And lows tonight will be a mix of 40s and 50s across the state. Looks like we'll dip down to 52. My forecast low tonight for Oklahoma City. And then for tonight, there will be a low chance of showers here for northern and western Oklahoma as the sun comes up. But after that, all eyes are on the skies for that risk of severe weather. Here's the latest storm zone for Sunday afternoon. It'll primarily be for central and western Oklahoma with the highest potential across northwestern parts of the state. Any storms that form tomorrow will be capable of producing large hail, damaging winds, flooding rainfall, and yes, there will even be a low tornado threat for some parts of the state. Here's the latest outlook on the hail threat for tomorrow afternoon. We could see up to about golf ball size hail for some parts of the state. We could even see up to about quarter size hail here for the Oklahoma City metro. And yes, there will also be a very low to low tornado threat during the afternoon hours once these storms start getting through the state around 3, 4. That's the latest timeline. So let's break down that timeline. Midday tomorrow, this is tomorrow's forecast. Around midday, noon, we will see cloudy skies with some showers and thunderstorms developing. There will be two bands. The first one will be across eastern Oklahoma around 3, 4 to 5 p.m. But by 5 p.m., that first band across eastern parts of the state will work its way off to the east. Replacing it will be the primary risk of severe weather developing 3, 4, 5 p.m. I stopped the clock here at 5 so you can see this line of showers and thunderstorms developing off to our west, moving through the Oklahoma City metro right around sunset. So that's going to be our latest timeline. And then, yes, after that, as we head into next week, in addition to the severe thunderstorm chances, there will even be, yes, a chance of snow across the Panhandle on Monday. 7-day forecast today will be cloudy, breezy, and mild. Highs today will be a mix of 50s and 60s. Lows tonight in the 50s. Watching out for that threat of severe weather for tomorrow. And then after that, heads up, gardeners, we could see some freezing temperatures here around this week. And then, yes, that chance of snow across the Panhandle on Wednesday, rain for Oklahoma City. And then on that 7-day plus 4 more, Easter is on there. And as of right now, looks like we could see some rain chances, of course, as we usually see.
Okay, fingers crossed.
Yes.
Well,